Hey there everybody, welcome back to FinBear channel. Tonight is Tuesday, June 29th, and I'm doing an update on Tilt Holdings Inc. Its stock ticker is TLLTF. It is an OTCX stock, which means it is a penny stock that is not officially on the NASDAQ. You have to access it through your penny stock trading. I personally have my holdings through Fidelity. That broker does have it for me. If you know of any other brokers that have it, please post in the comments so that other people can access it too if they are interested in this stock. So let's get started. Before we do anything, I always love to zoom out before I zoom in. And as we can see here on the weekly, we are still in a pattern of consolidation. I'm not worried about these red weeks. We are still in healthy movement. As long as we don't dip below this area right here, this 40 cents, I think we are trucking. 40 cents below then, I would have some concerns, but I don't have it right now. If anything, I am enjoying these little dips. I just put another buy limit order for 48 cents to pick up some more. I do see long-term potential and growth in this stock personally to hit multiple dollars, especially when the day comes that it is no longer OTC X stock and is fully traded on the regular market. So it's more accessible to traders that can do great things for this company. On the weekly, we have as you can see, the Bollinger Band is compressed. As you can see, because we had like that big bubble and now we're compressed. That's okay. Let it compress, because you know what happens with compression? Diamonds happen. Pressure happens. It has to release at some point, and the way that all this is showing is that it's going to release up, barring any crazy information. And to my understanding, the fundamentals are more solid than they have been since the beginning. So really good things here. As we see, we've come up, we've come down a little bit, consolidated, come up. We're now consolidating. I am ready for our next rip. When we close above 56 cents on the weekly, be ready for a rip to possibly go up even higher. Retest maybe 80 cents beyond that, if not further. So very exciting overall. RSI is currently at 49.71, which means middle of the road. It's not really bearish. It's not really bullish. It's just doing its thing, which you can see by the sideways trading. Stocks is kind of doing the same thing. Yes, right now it is giving a bearish signal, but even then I'm not taking it as, oh dear God, we're going to go down. Let's check out the hourly. Okay, so here we are on the hourly. I don't know why I made that voice. I apologize. It's late. We are, as you see, still in that descension going down. We had a real solid dip down to 46 cents, beginning of the day. I kind of wish I had seen that. I probably would have bought more then. But I do have my buy limit order in at 48 cents that I made this afternoon. I had some gains that I made from selling a covered call on another stock. And I decided every time I have gains from that, I'm going to put it into Tilt to continue expanding my position in this. So that's another really cool thing. If you want to create some income from your current positions, you can do it that way, and that's what I'm personally doing. Stotch is currently crossing. It is lower right now than its standard, so it is giving a bearish signal. The RSI, my lord. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the wrong thing. I hate when I do that. I gotta move the darn thing, the cursor over the right candle. I apologize. So the Stotch is even. It's neck to neck. So it's not really positive. It's not really negative. It's just running close. The RSI is at 44.90. I would not be shocked to see it possibly rise a little bit more since we had a very low right here. Let me see. This low was, give me a moment. I apologize. Was 23.67. The low over here. So this is a new lower low right here, basically, because we hit lower. So we might see this come up a little bit. I don't foresee it passing up here at 59, 60. I don't see it surpassing 60 before it comes back down. Although we might see some divergence and a reversal happen, and that would be awesome. But those are my thoughts on this stock. We just tested the middle area of this Bollinger Band. We're probably going to kick back down on it because I'm not seeing a lot of bullish momentum happening. Volume is still pretty low, and I think that's because it's not accessible to a lot of people, and there's a lot of competition out there for investors. But those are my thoughts on Tilt. That's my update. Please let me know if you have any information on this company that you would like to share with everybody else, because that's the only way we can grow. And as always, please hit that like and subscribe. I hope you're having a great week. I hope you're doing amazing things, and let's go make some money.